Turn tomatoes into homemade ketchup, completely natural, without preservatives, and can last for years. I will cut 3 kilograms of washed tomatoes into smaller pieces. I put the chopped tomatoes in the pot. A kilogram of washed apples, I will clean and cut into smaller pieces. I'm gonna chop 4 onions. I put the pan on the stove. I cook at a lower temperature, stirring occasionally until the ingredients soften. After 40 minutes of cooking, I will grind the ingredients. I need a strainer, and now I'm going to separate the seeds and the husks. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I separated the husk and the seed. I need a piece of gauze folded in half. I add spices, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, a few cloves, using the thread, I will tie the gauze. I lower the gauze into the pan so that the spices are submerged in the ketchup. I will tie a cheesecloth to the pot. I put the pan on the stove and wait for the ketchup to boil. I add 100 milliliters of vinegar, 9% to the boiled ketchup. Salt to taste. 100 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of red sweet ground pepper, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll stir. The spices are submerged in ketchup all the time, and I continue to cook for another 20 minutes. I will sterilize the jars in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking, I will pour the ketchup into the jars. I will wipe the top of the jar, and while everything is hot, I close it with sterilized lids. I will leave the jars to cool gradually. After that, I put them in a dark and cool place until use. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.